Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Lacking. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Now let's see today's problem, rotten oranges. Given a matrix met with each cell in a matrix can have values 0, 1 or 2, which have the following meaning. 0, empty cell. 1, cell have fresh oranges. 2, cells have rotten oranges. Your task is to determine the minimum time required so that all the oranges become rotten. A rotten orange index ij can rot other fresh oranges at indices I minus 1, I plus 1, j minus 1 and j plus 1 up, down, left, right in a unit time. If it impossible to rot every orange, then simply return minus 1. So in this question we are giving a matrix and there are three possible values. 0 means it's an empty cell, 1 means cells have fresh oranges, and 2 means the cell have rotten oranges. So we need to return the minimum time such that all the oranges become rotten, and if it is impossible then we will return minus 1. So if there is an rotten oranges, it can infect the other fresh oranges and convert it into a rotten orange in the unit time. Let's look at this code. So we have when the value is 2, we have rotten oranges. So in the ith time, in the 0th time, we have this scenario. In the first time, in the first after the first unit time, this 1, because it is adjacent to this 2 and 2 is a rotten orange, it will be converted into a rotten orange. Simply this 2 is, this 1 is also converted, 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 and this one is also converted because it is adjacent to these 2. After that we have one fresh orange after the first unit time, and this will again be converted into a rotten orange because it is in direct contact with the rotten orange. So this after the 2 second, this fresh orange is converted into the rotten orange. So we have all the oranges as rotten oranges. 0 is the empty cell, we just need to ignore these 0 cell. So after the two units of time, all the cells becomes rotten oranges. So the answer will be 2. So what we can do is the intuition come that we can have we can do a BFS travels for the rotten oranges indexes, and for after each iteration we will check if this rotten orange have any fresh orange in contact with it, and the contact means the up, down and left, right row, left, right cell. So we will check if it's up is a fresh orange or not, if left is fresh orange or not. If yes, then we will insert it into the queue and then make it as a rotten orange. So let's look at the code here. So we will have this queue of pairs where the pair first element will be the ith index and will be the row index, and the second column will be the column index. So we will prepare the queue as for all the infected, for all the rotten oranges we are just pushing it into the queue. After that we will have dx and dy for traversing the up, left, down and right. We will have this let's the combination 0 1 1 0 0 minus 1 and minus 1 0 for this. When the queue is not empty, we will get the size, and for after each level, for level by level we will traverse it. We will get the size until the size becomes 0. We will take the first element, we will pop it into the queue, and we will take the ith column. The row will be x and the column will be y. And for the up, we will check for the up, down, left and right. We will check if these are not out of the bound, and we will check if that cell is a fresh orange or not. If that is a fresh orange, we'll mark it as a rotten orange and then push it into the queue. After the traversing, we will check if we have any we have pushed anything into the queue, then only we can increment this res. So for this condition you can write a no over this input that after the first, we will in the 0 time we will have this queue. We will have all the indexes which have 2 into the queue, and after this first time traversal, we will have the elements like these, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one into the queue. So we will increment it one time, and this 2 will infect this 2 in the next iteration. Then the size become 2, the rest become 2. Then only we will this return this into the 2. After in the last iteration, you will see we will have left only this one, and this one will not affect any other orange. So that's not why we are incrementing this. So the rest will become 2 only. In the end we will check if every cell has become if we have any fresh oranges, we will simply return -1 because it is written in the condition, and then we will return this rest variable, which will the minimum time. So the time complexity will be big O of m cross n because we are traversing every cell n level by level, and the space complexity will be we are using queue. So at the first time scenario we will have everything in the queue, so time space complexity will be m cross n. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.